Okay, so for this step, add in another module. Gmail. You're going to want to send an email, and you can send it to whoever you want to. I'm going to say your subject line post was on okay. Press OK. You can also include any of these fields if you want. There's no need to. Press OK. I'm going to run once to check this works. Okay, perfect. If you wanted to add any other notifications, you can add things like Twilio, which will send you an SMS. If you're a Slack user, you can use Slack for Integromat. You can use Slack, create a message, but keep it nice and simple. Use Gmail, and now you've got a point of reference, which is going to add in all of your archive blog posts when you send them from Mailchimp. Yep, nice and simple. This is one for the creators out there. You don't want to dig around all the time to find your content. Keep it separate as well, just in case. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've got any questions. See you later. Bye.